FHC, Frameless Hardware Company, presents Activating the 5-Degree Pin. The standard 90-degree hinge is designed to self-center the door just in line with the door strike. To close inward tightly against a strike jamb, we have to activate the 5-degree pin. First, remove the inside cover plate. Now open the hinge as shown and loosen the 2 Allen screws enough to release the pin. Slide the outside cover plate of the hinge off of the pin. Turn it around 180 degrees, then slide the outside cover plate back on and tighten the Allen screws. Now open the hinge back to its original position and reattach the inside cover plate. Now the hinge is set at 5 degrees inward, allowing for a tight seal against the strike jamb. FHC, Frameless Hardware Company.